this video, we will discuss about the importance of good governance in Bihar, a state with immersive potential but significant challenge. Let's explore why effective leaders are needed in the administration of Bihar government, and in Bihar need to have good growth and development. First, talking about let's go discuss the first point, economic development. The good government is needed in Bihar as economic development is very needed in Bihar as it has been the historic part of the country and it's lagged behind industrializations and investment. The government should ease the policies for the business doing companies. The government should attract by promoting various schemes and allowing business persons or company to come in Bihar and settle their companies for the people of Bihar. They should provide jobs to the Bihar people and the government will get money from the taxes from their development and they will provide good significance of development to the Bihar. Let's go on the second topic, that is education. As we know, education is the backbone of any society and Bihar faces numerous challenges in this sector. A good government can implement policy that ensure access to quality education for all children. This includes building more schools, improving teachers' training, and modernizing the curriculums. By focusing education, government can empower the youth, reduce the literacy rate, and prepare a skilled workforce for the future. Now let's talk on the third topic, that is healthcare improvement. Bihar healthcare system need good amount of improvement. Good government can lead to better healthcare facility, more hospitals and increase access to medical care, especially in the rural area. By investing in healthcare infrastructure, training medical staff and ensuring the availability of accessible medicines and good environment can improve the overall health and well-being of all citizens. Let's go and talk about another point, that is infrastructure development. Infrastructure is a vital for economic growth and improving quality of life. Good governments ensure the development of roads, bridges, electricity and clean water. With better infrastructure, transportation becomes easier, business thrives, and people enjoy a higher standard of living. A government focus on infrastructure development can transform Bihar into more connected and efficient state. Now we will go to the another point, that is law and order. Maintaining law and order is crucial for any society. A good government ensures that laws are enforced fairly and they are safety and security of citizens are personalized, reducing crime rate, improving police efficiency and ensuring justice can create a stable environment where people feel safe to live and work. This stability attracts investors and promotes social harmony. Let's go and touch our last point, that is transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are the hallmark of a good governance. When a government is transparent, it builds trust with the citizen. Accountability ensures that government officials are answerable for all their actions. By promoting transparency in decision making, reducing corruption, and encouraging citizen participation, a good government fosters a culture of trust and cooperation. So, The conclusion says good governance is crucial for the progress and development of Bihar. It affects every aspect of life from the economy of education, the healthcare, infrastructure, law and order, and more. Effective leadership and administration can transform Bihar into prosperous and vibrant state, unlocking its true potential and improving the life of its people. Let's work together to support and demand good governance for better future of Bihar. Thank you for watching and listening. Keep liking and subscribing to the channel.